Hey, welcome back. So, gonna show you a quick little car repair. Donut gaskets on the exhaust. A lot of cars have two of them, one up by the engine at the manifold and one in the back by the muffler. So I got an exhaust leak in the muffler one. I'm gonna start the car up, let you hear this. We'll do it before and after when I'm done. All right, we gotta grab a few tools here. Turn the compressor on, get an airline. Gotta grab impact gun, and not sure what size it takes. Let's check real quick here. I think they're welded on. So I just gotta spin this off. Can you hand me the PV blaster again? That guy's off. Oh, I can't quite. That one broke. Oh, there's the gasket, what's left of it. Yeah, no good. It's all blown out and nasty and alright. Well, we got a broke off bolt to deal with real quick, so let me heat that up. Not too bad. All right, so got that apart. Good deal. Now let me just grab another bolt and we'll throw it back together real fast. Okay, this is the gasket right here. It goes in between the two pipes. So yeah, you want to open that up? Don't drop it. There we go. All right, she's all tied together here. I had to put a new bolt in. Now it's a little funky looking, that's all tight. So we're gonna go ahead and start her up and let's see if we hear a difference in sound. Remember what it sounded like a minute ago?
Yeah. That weird noise going.
That weird noise?
Like the rattle, squeak kind of noise.
That rattly squeak kind of noise?
Yeah.
Good catch, cameraman. Cameraman! Who can do it? Camera can! Ow, my foot.
Did you write that in the book? That's mine.
Got my shit. One of these doors open.
Bye.